The old saying goes that the IT guys are divided to those who are doing backups and those who will be doing backups. I really suggest you to be in the first group, because learning on your own mistakes in this case is very painful. But DaVinci Resolve can help you with this duty. It can automatically save your project, but also do backups for you. We are configuring these settings in DaVinci Resolve Preferences. Then choose Users tab and then Project Save and Load. Here we have two options. The Live Save option is what we are looking for. If it is enabled, DaVinci Resolve will save our project whenever some change appears. I will just make some simple change to make my project edited, and then after short time, edited disappears. It means that DaVinci saved the project automatically. It's very useful when your program crashes and you didn't save your project for a long time. Now let's look at the backups option. We enable it by the option Project Backups, and here we have few configuration additional options. First is telling how often backup will be performed in minutes. I will do for presentation 1 minute, but I believe for normal project 10 to 15 minutes will be fine. Then two other options are saying how many hour backups and daily backups will be kept. And finally we can configure the path where to store our backups. But let's look a little bit closer how it works. If we configure to perform backups every 15 minutes, then DaVinci will create 4 backup files per hour. And then last minute backup will be an hour backup. After next hour, again, last minute backup will be an hour backup. Finally, when one day finish, last hour backup will be a day backup. And finally, DaVinci will keep this 2 days backup, those 2 hour backups, and those 4 minutes backups. This way of backups configuration allows us on one hand restore our last work, but on the other hand find something what was deleted long time ago. I've waited some time to let DaVinci do a few backups, and now I can present you the results. To open backups, go to Project Manager and find our project, and go to the options of project, and let's find Project Backups option. Here we can see created backups and search the right one looking at the date of creation. As you can see, there are a minutes backups and hour backups. DaVinci will of course delete old backups automatically, but when the project is of course not needed or backups are not needed, we can delete all of them, because these backups of course take some space on our hard drive. And that's it. It's quite simple to make your work safe. Do your backups and don't forget to upload them to external storages, because also your hard drive with your DaVinci Resolve backups need backups. Good luck with your configuration and thanks for watching. If you liked this video, let me know by thumb up. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time!